It is the Doogee T30 Max 12.4-inch tablet, and it's much better than expensive tablets because this tablet offers a lot at a very reasonable price. It's probably the best affordable mid-range tablet out there. This Doogee T30 Max tablet is equipped with a 12.4-inch 4K display with high-res audio, an aluminum alloy frame, a large 10,800 mAh battery, and 512 GB of massive storage with 2 TB expansion. It offers smooth operation and a stable multitasking experience. Let's talk more about it after unboxing. I will show you the important features of the box. You can see the box is pretty big, and on the top it's written about its storage and RAM. On the back, not much info is revealed, but you can see it supports high-res audio. Now let's unbox it. On the first layer, the tablet reveals itself. Let's set it aside for a moment. Under the tablet, they give us a Type-C to Type-C charging cable along with a C charging adapter, some guide papers, a tiny SIM ejector tool, and a warranty card. Now it's time to see this giant tablet. Let's examine the build of this tablet. It looks quite impressive, especially with its large display and high efficiency. The bezels are decent. They are not ultra slim, but considering the price range, they are perfectly acceptable. Now on to the specifics. We have a 12.4-inch 4K IPS display, akin to a mini laptop, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a maximum brightness of 600 nits. It supports a whopping 1.07 billion colors, delivering stunning visuals. Additionally, it boasts HDR10 dynamic range display, 4K super resolution, and eye protection features as well. One of the best parts of this tablet is its titanium alloy unibody, which wraps around the outside, resulting in a weight of about 660 grams and a thickness of 7.9 millimeters. There are a total of 4 loudspeakers, which I really like it, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. The micro SD card slot is located here, and fortunately it also supports 2 SIM cards simultaneously. The good news is we have expandability up to 2 TB of storage and 20 GB of RAM, which is great for those who download a lot but don't want to worry about deleting stuff from the tablet. Additionally, there's a fingerprint sensor on the top side of the frame, and the power button and volume rockers are on the left side, matching the color of the body frame. However, there's also an IR camera on the front for face unlock. This is the Doogee Pencil 2, a magnetic charging compatible accessory for the T30 Max tablet. Price at $59. Additionally, there's magnetic Bluetooth, also pairing tablet keyboard, available for $69. While neither of these accessories comes bundled with the tablet, you can purchase them separately from doogeemall.com. There's only one variant with 20 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage is priced at $390, and it comes in 2 colors, black and light green. Additionally, there's a discount available if you use the provided code. Be sure to check out the other products as well. As I mentioned, with its impressive specs, including 20 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage, paired with a massive 10,800 mAh battery and a 33-watt charging adapter, this tablet is truly a powerhouse. Moreover, the performance of the Doogee T30 Max is compatible. It handles gaming without any hiccups. It handles gaming very well, boasting a smooth response rate. Equipped with the Helio G99 octa-core processor, the Doogee T30 tablet operates on ZUI 14 based on the Android 14 operating system. This provides a fresh and fast platform, ensuring seamless connectivity and productivity on the go. Now you might be concerned about purchasing this tablet from China and whether it supports the Google Play Store. Let me assure you that it comes with all Google settings, including the Google Play Store. I have personally installed some games, and there are numerously international applications pre-installed on this tablet as well. I'm not going to talk too much about the camera part. The chance of using the rear camera of the tablet to take pictures is limited. As far as the cameras are concerned, T30 Max on the rear AI dual camera, 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel. But the front camera is used by many people. After all, they buy tablets for online meetings or classes. To be honest, it's not much different from other tablets. It supports an 20 megapixel camera on the front for selfie. Both cameras can record 1080p videos at 30 fps per second. I wish you do enjoy my videos on new smartphones and tablets from China, and also hope you are going to do like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Thanks for your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.